What's up, guys? It's your boy Honestly Bad, or Albert, and today we did what the title says. We straight piped the Kia. Technically I didn't. We just took the exhaust off from after the cat back, so technically it was a resonator and muffler and pipe delete, so there was nothing. I mean, the exhaust literally was like under right under where the shift boot is, but we pretty much just took that off to see what the car would sound like and how loud it would be, and it was awesome. We ended up dipping. You guys will see why later, but let's just say we made the neighboring warehouses not too happy with us, so we had to get out there. But you'll see that in this video. If you guys can please help me out, give me a like on this video, comment down below. We had a lot of fun. I'm just remaking the intro because I didn't like how it turned out, but see, the car is stock. It's back to stock. It's quiet as hell. So we're good. Yeah, cool. Let's get into the video. We're gonna literally just take the exhaust off, see how loud it is, and then put it back on. So mom, dad, if you're watching this video never happened. It's for science. I didn't void any warranties or anything. So mom, dad, it's okay. You don't have to scream at me on the phone. But we're borrowing my buddy Ashton's lift here. It should be relatively fucking easy. So we already took our before clips. I'll play those now real quick. So if you want to straight pipe your Kia Forte GT, or if you're installing an exhaust, I'm assuming a catback exhaust, a proper one, will have the O2 sensor. Let's see if you can see it. Yes, you can. We'll have the O2 sensor housing for you. I think that would be a proper catback. It might start here. I don't know. But we're literally just going to chop. We're literally just going to loosen these two bolts, and then take the rest of the exhaust off the hangers. I had a theory that this car had valves. I don't think so, sadly. I was hoping it would have valves and then do like a quick mod to it so that they're always open, but it doesn't look like it. I guess we'll find out if the muffler or something's hanging by a wire that we actually can't see, but it should literally be, I don't want to touch this because it's still hot. Yeah, 2 19 mils, maybe 18. And that's gonna be it. It should be relatively quick. All right, should be in. Nope, definitely not a 19 today. No, I just don't have air. God damn it. Take two, I guess, right?
Watch your eyeballs.
Oh yeah, buddy. This might be hot as fuck. Yeah, it's hot. I can already. Just feel the fucking tip of the. There you go. That's one. No, that's not. Oh yeah, that's hot. Oh yeah, that's hot. We might have to wait.
You might be able to shoot fire from this shit. Straight from the downpipe.
Oh, if I did a complete straight pipe, like got a proper one where it came all the way back with a good tune,
shoot fire,
that would be lit. I don't think it would do it. Stop. Fuck, that's hot. We might have to wait for this fucker to cool off. I guess we'll be back in like 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
Like, it's hot all the way up here except right here, yeah, which I think will be good enough to take it off.
I got gloves, so I'm good.
All right, so
I can grab it probably.
Ladies and gentlemen, first step, we're gonna lube this fucks. Try and get some of that good old WD-40 in there. Nothing better than some good old lube, right? Never going dry. I'm a blast to work with, aren't I? This is not a child's channel, I don't think. It should be, though. I should be family friendly. All right, I think so.
You got some back here.
Yeah, I was gonna say, correct me if I'm wrong. It should be 1, 2, and then the 2 on the sides, right?
Yeah.
All right. All right, that should be it. And now I take my channel locks, which I think I put them down on the table. And we're just gonna, I think I'm gonna start in and work my way out. I think that's the smart approach. So the guy in the video said just fucking clamp this motherfucker off. Oh, yikes. Might have put too much lube on it. I'm not tool
There you go.
Oh, I'm afraid I'm gonna punch myself in the face. I know some viewers would like to watch that happen. Oh, look how close. I'm gonna try and...
There you go.
Oh, hell yeah, brother. Only 3 more to go. There, let me see that. Oh. Oh.
You're right there.
Oh, yeah. You're right there. All right. I don't think it'll just fall, but just in case, go and hold it up. Not hold it up, just get ready.
It may come down.
It might not. We don't know. I hope it sounds good. Like, you know how some 4-cylinder straight pipes sound like shit?
It's like a fucking lawnmower.
I'm gonna get a comment. It already sounds like shit. LS. I know exactly who's gonna comment. LS all the way, baby. Oh, I almost saw my life flash fucking in front of my eyes. Actually, you know what? Take those 2 bolts. This is smarter. And thread it on these, because then it won't fall off. Because I just realized.
You're gonna have to hold that back.
Yeah. Actually, might for the future, if I actually ever do put an exhaust on this car, it'd probably be easier to do it on the floor. Because if it hangs.
Yeah.
Come on, Matco. You're one of the name brands and you're failing me right now. Snap-on reps. If you want to slide me some tools and compare them to Matco. All right.
Yeah.
Switch with me. I got it. Oh, it's not that bad. It's just over our heads.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Come towards me, probably. There you go. Ha ha! Hell yeah, brother. Whew. That's a whole ass Kia exhaust, ladies and gentlemen. That's gonna be loud, dude.
You might even see flames from right there.
Dude.
2-star, baby.
I don't think this will catch on fire, do you?
No, I think this is made to not catch on fire. But
That makes sense. I might want to take this.
you
know what? Just take the just
gasket
grab the bolts and thread them on there.
Yeah, you're right.
Just real lightly. That shouldn't be that hot. Because, dude, I'm excited as hell. Hell yeah. So we're gonna load this fucker and start it up, huh? Ready?
Yeah, that's loud as fuck. Dude, you might be spitting flames. Hit it. Oh, fuck. No, it's not spitting, but it's loud as fuck. I think it
drive this fucker. All right, rev it for me. You hear the turbo? All right, back it out. Holy shit. All right, let me get in there. I'm so excited, dude. First try with no exhaust, practically. Yeah, if it was catless, that's when you... Oh. All right.
Learning to drive stick up.
Yeah, I guess I don't know how to drive my own fucking car. Yes! Here. Turbo, right? It's not just me.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, this guy's...
like, holy fuck, it's way too loud.
You think he's calling the cops?
Could be, yeah.
Alright. Want me to just pull it around and put the exhaust back on?
Yeah.
Alright.
I mean, if we can go down the road somewhere else, we don't have to do it down this road.
Nah, let's I think we're done. That was good enough. So that's gonna be it for this video. It looked like someone was really unhappy at one of the shops down the road. It might have called the cops. I'm sorry I didn't get the last clip. I just will leave it out, but we're gonna really quickly try to put this exhaust back on before the cops come. So if you like this video, please leave a like, comment down below if you think I need to get an exhaust on this car. And that's been your boy Honestly Bad. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Peace.